Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. We're at the Heights at 1520, and I want to show off their co-working area. It's a really cool co-working area. You can see it here. It's really big. Let's just start over here and we'll take a look at it. Here's a kind of a conference table. This is on the second floor. We were just on the first floor, so you can see what that looks like down there. So conference table, it's over here. You can see there's kind of some booths and stuff to work from. There's also some couches. These are super fun. There's places to plug in as well, so you can be working from here. And then, of course, they do have private offices that are here too. So you've got these 3 offices, pretty darn cool. You can close those off. 2 of them, well, let's see, that one's a barn door kind of closed off. And then those are 2 more regular closed off, so you can just walk in. And you should be able to just kind of walk in and the lights come on. Very, very cool. It's free. You just grab it anytime. So it's a pretty cool co-working area. There's some more spots over there. And this is what it looks like. So you can get some great work done during the day, anytime you need. And it's always fun to kind of be around people too. So that's the co-working area here at the Heights at 1520. If you have any questions anytime, send me a text. Just use the number below. Now let's go check out that gym that we saw.